Hey everyone, want to cancel your Mega subscription? In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Mega plan step by step. Yeah, whether you're switching to another service or no longer need extra storage, this guide will help you stop your subscription easily. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged into the account that has the active subscription. Next, open your account menu and go to the Plans, Pro, or Subscription section. This area shows your current plan details and available account options. Now find the subscription management options and look for the Cancel or Disable Automatic Renewal option. Select it to begin the cancellation process. Mega may ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for canceling. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to continue. After confirming the cancellation, check that your subscription renewal has been turned off. Your account should remain active until the end of the current billing period. If you purchased your Mega subscription through a mobile app store, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you may need to cancel it from that store instead. Before canceling, review your storage usage and make sure your files fit within the available free storage limit after your plan expires. So, moving or downloading important files beforehand can help prevent issues. Once the subscription ends, your account will return to the free plan, and some premium features may no longer be available. And that's how you cancel a Mega subscription. With these steps, you can manage your plan and stop future charges when you no longer need the service. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.